Does uploading daily really grow your YouTube channel? Here is day 13 of me posting every day for my challenge that I created for myself, 31 days of motivation. And 31 days of motivation started because this tis the season to be jolly, but a lot of people aren't jolly. So I decided to, instead of do Vlogmas and decorating and all the things, I decided to make everyday content for 31 days, showing people that people are still doing life every day. You don't have to have all the Christmas decorations, all the things, all the gifts and all the bells and whistles. You don't have to have all of that. So for 31 days, I am showing motivation to people that do not do the things for Vlogmas or, just regular content that a lot of people aren't doing right now. So that's what I decided to do for 31 days. And so far, this is day 13. I've been enjoying it. And it seemed like you guys are enjoying it too. So today's video, I am going to show y'all the analytics, and I'm going to tell y'all my experience about it. And I'm going to let you know if you should or should not post every day. Okay, so for the analytics, I'm going to be looking down at my iPad and at my notes. So if you don't see me looking up, that is why. But I'm going to tell you, I don't know, should I tell y'all daily what I gained? Or no, I'm not going to do that. So we're going to do it this way. I'll show y'all a little graph up here over here to show y'all what was going on. So from December the 1st to up until yesterday, because nothing really posted today, up until yesterday, I've gained 28 new subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much for all my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all so much. And I've gained 113.60 hours and 18,508 views and $20.38 in revenue. So I honestly believe that it's good for my channel because I'm not like rapidly growing like that. So for me to see this within 13 days, well, me seeing it today, and there's 13 days of posting every day. Some days you'll get 2 videos, like today you'll get 2 videos. But posting every day, my the $20 is the $20.38. That's coming mainly from my lives when I get the gifts and stuff. So that mainly come from the lives. So my hours, I normally, within a month's time, my hours, they are low. So normally I roughly am averaging like 250 hours. No, is that right? No, actually, it's not low. It's actually high because roughly, normally I'm averaging 250 hours, a 28 day span. Yeah, 28-day span. I'm averaging 50 hours. But with my right now with the posting daily, I have averaged with, let me see. So posting daily, my watch time hours have boosted up 235.5. So normally it's at 250 something or a little higher than 250 in 28 days. But in 13 days, it has gone up. So clap for that. Yay. That's exciting as well. My views are higher than normal, 4.2K higher than normal. So normally I'm roughly around 20,000 views in 28 days. But this is 13. This is 13. So I am so happy about the growth that I am getting. Revenue up to where it was. The videos itself, it has not hit like viral moments. I haven't hit viral moments to where I would get more than what it says. Well, more than what I'm getting for the videos. So like in a couple of days, the video might hit. It might hit to $1 and something, and that's just from the little 60 views that I get. Not so I say little. Anyway, not the little 60 views, the 60 views that I get, because first of all, 60 views is big, because that means you guys are watching, and not only are you watching, you're coming back and watching another video, and yesterday I didn't post the video. I just posted in my post area, and people was coming looking for videos because they were going and commenting on older videos. So that's how I know they were looking for a video yesterday. And yeah, so that makes me happy. That makes me know that y'all really want to see what I got to say, even though sometimes it can sting on what I'm saying to you, okay? But this is not a part of that video. This is not the 31 days of motivation video. Is me posting every day actually working on my analytics side. And my experience, I think it is working. I just from what I just said in here, I've gained 28 new, well, actually I'm at 2006 subscribers now. So that's 31 new subscribers, right? 25, 6, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, yep. 31 new subscribers and $20.38. I met the threshold, so that's a plus, because I did just need that much to meet the threshold, and I'm actually a little over the threshold. Yeah, I'm excited. So 113.60 hours for 13 days, 18,508 views, new views. These are new views. Now the views, I will say the views are coming mainly from, well, not mainly, the views are coming from the shorts. A lot of the views are coming from the shorts, because my views do go over the 1,000 mark and whatever. I just got to get my videos to go over the 1,000 mark. But we at 60, and I'm happy with that. So yes, I am very much appreciative of everybody that's watching. From me looking at my analytics and my experience of getting dressed daily and giving a motivational word daily, I honestly, let me say, be honest, there are days where I don't want to do it. There's days that I don't want to do it, but there's days I don't want to go to work either, but I do. So, but yeah, so the experience of me posting every day, I think that it is nice. I've been posting like late at night, because once I get off of work and I take a little break, and then I come and post, and it posts around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock the latest. So, yeah, so I'm gonna post this here soon. So that's my experience. Should you post every day? I honestly would say no. Because y'all, it could be a lot. Now, if you have nothing to do and all you want to do is post every day. Now, shorts, you could post a short every day. Because now I'm seeing posting from my videos, shorts from my videos, is working for me. That's working for me. So I wouldn't necessarily like post now this is for me, not for you. You will have to see what you would do. But after this 31 days, I am not going to post every day. I'll just come on whenever I feel like it, or just post like whenever I feel like it, but multiple times a week. I would do that, but I would not do like a full month of posting. I will continue to take like videos from my shorts, because sometimes that do lead people to want to see more of what I posted in that video, because I do put the related video to the short. So I will say it has been working for me, posting daily. But with me having a life outside of posting daily, I don't think that it is wise for me to do it every day. And some days I be tired and I still come and show up. It's a battle of balance. And do you think that you would post a whole month straight? Let me know, because if you will, I will watch it. Look, I'm a very supportive person. I love to support people that support me. So if you in my comments all the time, I'm in your comments all the time. If you viewing my stuff all the time, I'm viewing your stuff all the time, because that is just a back and forth. And that gets you into my algorithm, and I'll be put into your algorithm. So whenever I post another video, you will see my videos, and that's like vice versa. So whenever I come back to you, you come back to me, I see more of you, you see more of me. And that's how that works. Okay, y'all? Turn on your post notification bells. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like my content. And stay tuned for tonight's video. Bye.